माई हस्बैंड डाइड 10 years बैक। उस समय पता ही नहीं चल रहा था, एकदम से वीकनेस आती थी, एग्जॉस्शन होता था, चक्कर भी आता था। फिर तब दिखाया तो ऐसे ही उन्होंने कहा कि आप एक रैंडम ब्लड चेक करा लीजिए। फास्टिंग करीब 300 निकली थी, तब फिर पता चला कि डायबिटीज़ है। नाउ इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ।
छोटी सी कहानी से बारिशों के पानी से सारी बातें भर गई।
वो भी कॉशस रहना पड़ता है।
छोटी सी
बहुत
कहानी से बारिशों के पानी से सारी बातें भर गई।
कोई लेफ्ट से आ रहा है, कोई राइट से आ रहा है, लेकिन जिसने इंडिया का ड्राइव कर लिया वो सब्जेक्ट बस थोड़ा सा काम करने की कैपेसिटी कम हो गई, क्या गेट टायर्ड। लेकिन इधर तो तब से अब तक क्या कर रहे थे? पीएचडी करना है। 2-4 दिन बाद आइएगा, बिना पैसे का काम करेंगे। Nothing has hampered my normal life due to this diabetes, except that I have some restriction about the food that is there. वैसे भी with age I think we have to be careful about our eating habits. थोड़ा सा बस एसिडिटी वगैरह की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, लाइक आई कैन नॉट टेक ऑरेंज जूस। I do follow the instruction, but sometimes I indulge without. Like if we have some viva or something, PhD viva, then the students they give treat. So now they know that if we have to feed madam, then we should bring like chene ke or rasgulla or something like that. So that I will squeeze out and then I will eat. So that kind of indulgence I do. But now that after so many years, I generally don't have this craving for sugary things. हाँ, गर्मी बहुत लगती है, ये बात तो है। पता नहीं अब हमको तो बहुत लगती है, अब डायबिटीज की वजह से है या किसकी वजह से है, तो हम जो है बिना एसी के रह नहीं सकते। Dogs are very affectionate. He will follow me along wherever I go. So I don't think one gets this kind of treatment from their children also. But this dog gave me a lot of security. In 1999, I had this problem of acidity, and gastritis was detected. And at the same time, they also asked me to get this test done. So that was in 1999 probably that I got this test. Yeah. And the result was not very good, it was like 11. So now that I know that the level should be 7 or below 7, I'm very happy since the day he told me about the test that it was like 7.5, which is borderline. So I'm very pleased about it. Earlier I had to take my medicine just before my meals. That restriction was there. Now since Lantus has given me this flexibility that it can be taken any time but at the same time every day. Since I have started taking this in Lantus, I have started getting lazy also because I feel that probably is getting regulated.
रुकती है, थमती है, कभी बरसती है, बादल पे पाँव रखती, बारिश मचलती है।
Control means, I mean, the sugar level should be within the limits. Like I'm told that fasting should be like 90 to 100. And this pranayam thing is very good. Because not only I mean, it gives you a feeling of better health, one feels active also. And after doing these pranayams in the morning, I really feel very good. That's why my morning time is very busy. I mean, in the night I have to like study for my research work, so I generally have to sleep late and then wake up late. So I cannot go for morning walks, etc., which is desired in diabetes. But of course, if I can do this pranayama and then control my diabetes, so that will help.
छोटी सी कहानी से बारिशों के पानी से सारी बातें भर गई ला 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 ला। ना जाने क्यों दिल भर गया, ना जाने क्यों आँख भर गई।
What I'm more concerned about is that I must remain healthy because I have to be on my own all the time. My children having gone away, so I should be self-sufficient enough to do all the work.